Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the route guards in Angular. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in Angular, guards are fundamental feature used to control access to the routes in your application. They act like the gatekeepers that determine whether a route can be activated, loaded, or deactivated based on the specific conditions. Guards help secure our application, manage user permissions, and ensure that the essential data or prerequisites are met before navigation occurs. Like think of a guard as a security checkpoint in airport. It either allows or denies access based on the certain conditions. In Angular, a guard is essentially a script that runs before a certain stages of route navigation. It decides whether to proceed with the navigation or redirect it. The primary types of guards in Angular are can activate, can activate child, can deactivate, resolve, can load. CanActivate determines whether a route can be activated or not. Example, prevent users from accessing a route unless they are logged in. User authentication would be the example. CanActivate guard can check if a user is logged in before navigating to the admin page. If the user is not authenticated, the guard redirects to the login page. Here you can see that we have made the CanActivate router from the Angular route, and here you can see that how you can make it like CanActivate, and you can implement the CanActivate over here, right? And here you can add your functionality, right? And how you can use it, like CanActivate auth guard. So in detailed explanation, I'm going to in the next videos, but now I'm going to give you the brief introduction what exactly it is. CanActivate determines whether the child routes of a particular route can be activated. Example, restrict the access to the admin features for the non-admin users. Suppose your application has a setting page with multiple child routes like profile settings, account settings, and privacy settings. You can use can activate child guard to ensure that only users with appropriate permissions can access these child routes. Okay, so here you can see that can activate child, and here you can write the logic for the admin rights, right? Can deactivate. Ask the user for the confirmation before leaving a route. Example, prevent navigation away from the form if they are unsafe changes. In that scenario, we can use it. Okay. Next, we have a resolve. Preloads data before activating a record, like fetching the user details from the API before loading a profile page. Like in e-commerce application, you have a product detail page. A resolve guard can prefetch the product details before the route is activated, ensuring that the user doesn't see an empty or a particular partially loaded page, right? So this is how you can use it. In detail, I will give you the code and everything, right? Can load. Determine whether a route can be loaded as a lazy loading module. Example, prevent loading of a feature module if the user does not have the access. Your application has a premium feature module that should only be accessible and thus downloaded by premium users. A can load guard can prevent unauthorized users from and uneven downloading this module, saving bandwidth, enhancing security. So can load, and here you can write your permission logic. Okay, how you can configure it. So here you can see that this is the configuration. Can activate auth guard, children, so settings, and can activate child with admin guard. Okay, so these are the guards that you have to import on the top of the routes, right? So can deactivate unsafe changes guard. Okay, and here we have the resolve user data user resolver, and here are going to put the lazy loading. You can load feature guard. So in Angular 19, guards work the same fundamental way, but with the improvements in Angular core and the CLI, you have might experience improved type safety for the guards, ensuring more robust code, enhanced lazy loading capabilities which can work seamlessly with can load, better integration with route reactivation, and new navigation lifecycle hooks. So this is all about the guards. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.